Hello everybody. So in this video we are going to talk about how to save, compile and execute your Java program using the notepad or any editor without any IDE, because here we need to understand how to save any Java program in your files, how to compile and how to execute. So first thing is, definitely you will be creating certain classes in your Java program. So first question that comes into your mind, ki in one file how many classes you can create, right? So the answer is you can create any number of classes in a single file, but there is some restriction that we will discuss in this particular video. So let's say I have created this class A, I am creating one more class, let's say class B here in the same file. So first step is, after writing your program you have to save. So how you will save this file? Let's say this is a single file and you want to save this file. So how you will save this file? To save this file, what should be the naming convention? By which name you can save the Java program? So definitely Java programs are saved in a file with a .java extension, right? So you can give any name to this particular file, right? I can save it to any name. Let's say I am saying it x.java. There is no problem to save this file with x.java, y.java, c.java or a.java or b.java. There is no restriction. The restrictions comes into the picture when your class is public. I am repeating, if your class is public, then the file name must be same as the name of your public class. If your file is containing any public class, then it is mandatory to save that file with the name of the public class, right? So for example, I have changed this scenario. Now I said okay, this class is declared public. I have said that this class is now public class B in the same file, public class B and normal class A. Now can we save it with x.java? Obviously you can save with x.java, but you will not be able to compile it, right? If your class is public, then it is mandatory to save with this name only. Okay, so it means now what will be the only possible name of this file? That will be b.java. Why? Because B is a public class. So its name will not be x.java, it can be only b.java, right? Now the second question comes into your mind, and sometimes it is asked in the interviews also, that can you have multiple public classes in a single file? It means, can I declare this class also as public? So the answer is no. In a single file, in a single .java file, you can have at most one public class or interface or enum. Only one public class, interface or enum can be there in a single .java file. If you have to create multiple public classes, you have to create multiple files. That's why in the IDEs you have to create separate file for separate classes, right? So this is not possible. You cannot declare two classes public in a single file. So this is all about your saving a Java program in the files. Now once you have saved it, now the question is how you will compile. So for compilation, what is the command? For compilation, the command is javac. Javac is the Java compiler. It is available in your installation C drive program files java jdk bin, and inside the bin you will find a file javac. This is an application, this is a compiler. So javac you will call javac, means this application will run, and when you run this application it will say tell me which file I have to compile. So after javac you have to tell ki which file you have to compile. It means what you will give here, file name with extension, right? So I will have to write here javac b.java. This is your file name. So during the compilation you will have to give the extension also, and what you are giving, you are not giving the name of the class, it is name of the file. Fine. Similarly, execution. When you have to execute a Java program, Java class, so the command will be here Java. Java is the Java interpreter, Java, and what you are going to execute? Are you going to execute a file or you are going to execute a class? So the answer is you are going to always execute a class. So here you will have to give the name of the class. So I can give here Java A, or I can give here Java B, or anything, right? So this is your class name without any extension. You will neither give dot class or not dot Java. It is just the class name. So interpreter will receive the name of the class, and then what the interpreter will do, what the JVM will do, what it will do, it will try to call the main function. It means whenever you have to run any Java program, you will write Java, and then you will have to pass the name of the class which contains the main function. And main function we have already discussed in the previous class, public static void main string array arguments. That main function JVM will be looking for. If you are passing the name A and here A is not containing the main function, it will give you the runtime error, main method not found. If you will write Java B, again main function is not available here, it will give you the same error. So whatever class is containing the main function, you will have to give the name of that class while execution, right? So it is very simple. For compilation, javac, then the file name. Whenever you will give javac, then the file name, dot class files will be created for each and every class. Let's say your b.java is containing 10 classes, 10 separate dot class files will be created in a single go. But which class you will run? You will run a class which is having the main function. So you have to write Java, then the name of the class which contains the main function, right? So this is how you can compile and run your Java program. And if you face any problem, please put your problem in the comment box. Thank you.